find the volume of a rectangular prism when the area of the base is given? Carrie needs to know how much sand will fill a rectangular prism for her science project. The area of the base of the rectangular prism is 56 square centimeters. The prism's height is 6 centimeters. Why is the base area of the prism given in square centimeters? The area of the base is the number of square units that cover its two-dimensional surface. You know that V equals L times W times H. Here is another formula for the volume of a rectangular prism. V equals B times H, where B is the area of the base. You can find B, the area of the base of the rectangular prism, by using the area formula A equals L times W. Find the volume of the rectangular prism if the area of its base is 56 square centimeters and its height is 6 centimeters. What unit will be used for the volume of the prism?
Select your answer.
The volume is in cubic centimeters.
The area of the base is given, so you don't need to calculate it.
The volume of the rectangular prism is 56 times 6, or 336 cubic centimeters. What does a volume of 336 cubic centimeters mean? It means the rectangular prism takes up the same amount of space as 336 1-centimeter cubic units. Now you know how to find the volume of a rectangular prism when the area of the base is given.